Hey everybody, with the xTool O1 Omni UV printer being announced today, it seems like a lot of people just want to know what the different versions are. So I wanted to make this video real quick to explain exactly what the three different versions that are offered are, what their capabilities are, and who they're for, and things of that nature. So to start with, we've got the entry-level one, which is a single head UV printer. That printer will be able to handle anything UV printing. If you want to do roll-to-roll printing, it will do that. If you want to print UV DTF stickers, it will do that. If you want to print on tumblers, it will do that. If you want to print on flat goods, it will do that. Really, anything UV printing, it will do. Stepping up to the dual UV printer, you will have two UV printing heads. This will do everything that the single head does, just faster. So it will have one head that can lay down white ahead of the color, so that way you can start to build things up quicker or lay down one layer of white and then another layer of white, just whatever it needs to do, you're going to be printing faster that way. You'll still be able to do rotary, you'll still be able to do roll to roll, you'll still be able to do UV DTF on that with no problem. It's just going to do things quicker. Now, the UV plus DT Fabric Edition, this one is one I've seen the most questions about. At its core, this is a dual function printer. It can still do everything that the other UV printers can do. You can still do roll to roll. You can still do UV DTF. You can still do your rotary. You can still do your flat printing. You can do everything that you can on the single head UV and the dual head UV on the UV plus DT. Think of it as the single head UV, but with extra features. Now, what are those extra features? Those extra features are garment printing. UV printing does not work on t-shirts. If you want to print something that goes on a t-shirt, then a UV printer is not for you. But the UV plus DT allows you to do just that. So that DT head is for DTG, which is direct to garment, or DTF, which is direct to film. Now, it's a different DTF than UV DTF. With the DT version, you will print out onto film. You then have to put a powder on the back of that film, bake that film, and now it's ready to be heat transferred onto a shirt. That is completely different than UV DTF. UV DTF does not require those extra steps. It just prints onto the film and then you laminate it and you're good to go. And like I said, UV DTF works on all three versions, but the UV plus DT just allows you to work with garments, to print for t-shirts and canvas bags and things of that nature, things that need to hold up through a wash. Technically, if you're just making a one-off shirt, you could put a UV sticker on a shirt and it would work. But if you want something that's going to hold up for time and time again going through the wash, then you're going to want the UV plus DT. That DT is really only for those who want fabric printing capabilities. If you have no desire to print fabric, or if you already have some type of a DTF printer, like the xTool apparel printer or anything else like that, then I would just highly recommend you go with either the single head UV or the dual head UV, because those are going to be the two that give you the best result for the UV side of things. If you are wanting to explore that apparel side, then definitely by all means, go ahead and get the UV plus DT bundle. And so that will allow you to print on apparel and garments and things of that nature. Now, also, I do want to say that this is just the base printer. So there are going to be bundles for you to add those accessories on top. I already talked about some of the accessories in my last video of the O1 Omni. But when you buy the base printer, you are most likely not going to get all of the accessories. It's not fully out there yet what all the accessories and stuff is going to cost. But the roll-to-roll system, the laminator system, the rotary system, all of that stuff, that does cost extra on top of it. So that's something to keep in mind on those extra bundles when you're adding to it, and also air filtration. If you're going to add air filtration, those are all things to add on top. But as far as the base printers go, your single head UV is going to be the slowest one, but also the most affordable. Your dual head UV is going to be the fastest for UV printing. And then your UV plus DT is going to be the most versatile because it does everything the UV does, but it also adds the ability to do the garment and things of that nature. But every printer in the lineup will be able to do all of the UV functions. Every printer will be able to do flat goods, will be able to do UV DTF stickers, will be able to do rotary, will be able to do the roll to roll. All of the UV printers will be able to do that. So I hope that kind of clears up some of the confusion. And if you want to know more about the O1 Omni printer, check out my video right up in this corner, I think, maybe this corner, or in the description below. I've got a 20-minute video where I go kind of in depth on the O1 Omni, its capabilities, different accessories, things of that nature. And also there will be some affiliate links down below for you if you want to go ahead and lock in your discounted pricing or to pick it up if you're watching this after the pre-orders are over. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, there's a button for that too. And if there's anything specific you want to see about the O1 Omni, any questions that you want, leave those in the comments down below. I should hopefully have my unit, a dual UV version, in a couple weeks, and I will begin making content with my unit in hand as soon as it arrives. Thanks again. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you really enjoyed the video. That helps out the channel so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one.